It's Christmas time and Santa's here, making the children smile, but he's just a pedophile, so you better watch your child. Christmas trees in every house, covered in shiny lights, but they just turn brown and die, or set your whole house on fire. These are the reasons I hate the season, but I'ma give it a try. Maybe this year I won't be sad on Christmas. Maybe I'll have a happy holiday. Replace my heartache and my pain with mistletoe and candy canes. This Christmas could go my way. Having fun with all your friends, sipping on that eggnog, but it just looks like truth all over your upper lips. House made out of gingerbread, cookies like Christmas trees, giving your heart disease and type 2 diabetes. These are the reasons I hate the season, but I'ma give it a try. It's Christmas time and Santa's here.